Wow! CandiceBeLove.
Hello mga ka-belovers! Welcome to CandiceBeLove! Ngayon, Candice will meet a new friend. Are you excited? Are you excited to meet your new friend? What? What is the sound of the fish? Hey! What is the sound of the cat? Yay! What is the sound of the horse? Oh, yay! What is the sound of the monkey? What is the sound of the elephant? What is the sound of the lion? So Candice will now meet her new friend. What's inside the planggana? Ate Sam will show the friend. Mga belovers, kayo na po ang magbigay ng name ng bagong friend ni CandiceBeLove. Sulat nyo lang po sa comments ang gusto nyong name ng bagong friend and pet ni CandiceBeLove. What is that? Do you like your new pet, the sisiu?
Napakain ko.
Thanks for watching! You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Gianina Candice. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, CandiceBeLove.